If you're feeling like you're tired, you're frustrated because your baby is gassy and can't get rid of the gas, then you're watching the right video. In this video, I'm going to share with you 3 different techniques that you can use to help your baby get rid of gas fast so that your baby can get a decent night's sleep and you can too. If you're new to the channel, my name is Charik Gordon and I've been a pediatric physical therapist for over 20 years. During that time, I've been a guide to a lot of parents whose babies have had gas or constipation issues, and I've been able to show them simple, hands-on, effective techniques that they can use to get rid of the gas and help them and their baby be able to get a decent night's sleep. So the first tip is to burp baby before, during, and after feedings. Even if you need to stop a feeding and burp baby in the middle of a feeding, definitely do more burping. The next tip is to feed your baby in an upright position. This will help the food to go down and make the gas come up. This next technique is called bicycling. I like to use this in combination with a leg crunch where you bend baby's legs back and press them up against baby's abdomen. You want to start off with making some bicycling motions with baby's legs. I like to use like about 10 of these and then do about 5 or 6 of the crunches where I press baby's legs up against their abdomen. This next activity is a stomach massage where you would put a few drops of baby oil or lotion in your hands, rub it together to warm it up, and then start off with your fingers right around baby's belly button and make slow expanding circles as you move outwards away from baby's belly button in a clockwise circular motion all around baby's stomach, which tracks along with the digestive tract, and that'll definitely get the gas moving. While you're doing these massages and the bicycling movements, let me know in the comments at what point your baby actually starts to pass gas. Now, if you found this video helpful to you in any way, then please consider liking it. Also, take a look at the top of your screen. You'll see another video, the link to another video about how to help your baby to have a bowel movement if your baby is constipated. That is something you would definitely get some value from. Okay, I'll talk to you soon and see you in the next video.